Today, I'm working on my mailbox because somebody decided that I didn't need
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms which
mailbox. So, first thing you're gonna have to do is drill out the old post, drill out the take out all the old wood, and there it is over there. And you got the old post over here. Second thing is you're gonna have to buy a post
no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
and stabilize it with another bar, and then you put the new post in, some gravel underneath, and try to level it, get it to the height that you need. After you get it to the right height, you're going to have to uh, drop some concrete down in there. After you drop the concrete down in there, then you're going to have to set it level with a level again. And then it's a good idea to keep it framed and supported so it doesn't lose its level. Man, this nut, I feel like I'm gonna lose this nut underneath here. Come on, you can do it. Can't even show you what I'm looking at. I have to get underneath the mailbox. Okay, I got it. All right, we're looking at. So you see, I got these spaces in here. This is what you need for a large mailbox. And if I didn't know how to do it after almost 50 years, I'm pretty sure many of you out there don't know what you need to do to secure your mailbox or put a new one up. And make sure you get that spacer in there. Then the nut.
Towards the sun rays and on we'll.
Last one, right? Looking good. I'll do that another time. I need to drop some nails in here. Maybe in here too. That looks wobbly. All right.